Hello, this is the hardware demo for Group H. I'm Sharon Satish and my partner is Mohammed Amida, and this is the FIFO lab. So as we can see, the status is empty right now, and these 12 switches are supposed to be the data, the 12-bit that we're supposed to send in the FIFO. And then these 4 switches represent the clock manager for the RGB lights, how frequent they're gonna, like the frequency for the RGB lights. And then this is the write function, this is the read, and then this is the push and pull. So it moves the 12-bit value from the FIFO, splits it up into the serializer, and then displays in the RGB. And then this value represents the red PWM. This is the green, this is the blue. And then these three represent the 12-bit number that in binary that you're inputting into the FIFO. And then also, I'd like to add that this button is still there from the last lab where you can access the second RGB as well. So say we could input any sort of value, right? Could write it, read it, and then pull it, and this light should turn on. As you can see, that green light is on. And then we can activate the second light by doing that as well. It's obviously very bright right now, and then we could change the frequency of the light by doing the clock manager. So obviously the lower the value is for the clock, the more frequent it's going to show because it's not being divided by as big of power of 2. So for example, this would be like 1 divided by 2 power of 1. And then say if you want to do 7, that would be 1 divided by 128. So so the higher the value is for the clock switches, the less frequency there is. So say if it's a really low value, then it should be more frequent. And we could even input another value here. Let's go more for a blue value. So these 4 switches generate, say if we just want to input this, right? This would generate more of a red value. So let's just pull that. You see that? More of a red value. And then these switches over here would generate a blue value for the, as you can see, blue. And then we could even mix, right? Red and blue, that's purple. So we could read, right? And it changes the binary value based on what's being shown. And then we can just pull. And then boom, we get a purple value that is being frequently shown. So yeah, this just shows, and then if we were to input multiple values, then this one would fill up. As you can see, it gets filled if you keep on holding down this right button. If you keep on holding down this right button, that means there's a lot of different values and it's just getting really full. So then we just need to read so that it will empty out again. And then we could input a new value here, which more like, yeah, see, it's getting full if you hold down, and then you could input a different value. So yeah.